So Verasity is at a major crossroads. You've got the community, the investors on one side, and they're asking some really tough questions about the original token, VRA. But on the other side, you have the company pushing forward with a brand new strategy, one that's built around a completely new token, PLRL. So you gotta wonder, how did we get here? And what in the world does this all mean for everyone holding these tokens? Let's dive in and break it all down.
And really, this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one hand, the community is worried about dilution. Their piece of the pie getting smaller and smaller. They're seeing the price fall, and frankly, trust is starting to wear thin. But then Verasity comes in with their plan. This new PLRL token, the promise of a big airdrop, and this vision for how both ecosystems are actually going to help each other. So let's start by really digging into the investor side of things.
If you've been holding VRA for a while, the last few months have probably been pretty tough. And it's not just about the market going up and down. That's crypto, right? No, this anxiety comes from a much deeper place. It's about trying to figure out what your investment is actually worth when it feels like the whole game plan is changing. And look, these are not just some random complaints on social media. The community is getting into the nitty-gritty of the project's tokenomics, the rules that control its supply and its value, and they're asking some really sharp questions about whether holding VRA even makes sense anymore. Okay, so let's get specific, because all this nervousness really boils down to a couple of key numbers that keep getting passed around. And, well, these numbers are painting a pretty concerning picture for a lot of people. So what are these numbers that have everyone so worked up? Let's take a look. First off, you have this absolutely massive number, 184 billion. That's the total token supply the community is pointing at. And from their point of view, when the supply just keeps going up and up, it triggers that number one fear for any investor, dilution. It just means your slice of the pie keeps getting smaller. And that fear gets even worse when you look at this second number, a market cap, which is the total value of all the tokens out there, that investors have watched drop to around $3.6 million. So you can see why people are worried, right? The supply is going up, but the total value is going down. That's a tough pill to swallow. But hold on, that's just one side of the coin. Verasity says, hey, we hear you. And their answer is a huge strategic pivot. They're launching the new PLRL token and, to go with it, a major airdrop, which is basically a big giveaway of these new tokens to their current community. And just look at the words they're using here. They're being super direct. Verasity is going out of its way to say this isn't some tiny symbolic gesture. They're promising something meaningful to shut down any fears that this is just going to be some insignificant crumb. They even gave us a keyword for it, substantial. Now, we don't have the final numbers yet, but the company has said that a significant portion of the entire PLRL supply is being considered for this airdrop. That is a seriously bold promise. So how do they make sure this is fair? Well, they're not just taking a quick snapshot and calling it a day. They're actually building out a whole framework that's going to look at a bunch of different things, like how long you've been a holder, how much you have, and your activity, to try and reward the community in a way that feels right. Of course, the very next question on everyone's mind is, when? When is this happening? Veracity's answer is that they see this as a huge foundational moment for the entire new ecosystem. They're essentially arguing that it's way more important to get this right for the long haul than it is to rush something out the door just to quiet people down in the short term. And that brings us to what is probably the most complicated and most important piece of this entire puzzle. How on earth can two different tokens, VRA and PLRL, not just live side by side, but actually make each other more valuable inside one ecosystem?
Okay, so how do they link up? Well, it all starts with the tech underneath. The best way to think about it is like this. The new PLRL Marketplace is a brand new store, and it's going to use its own money, PLRL. But the whole store, the foundation, the shelves, everything, it's all built on Veracity's original core video technology. That shared foundation is the whole key.
And this does a fantastic job of showing how the value is supposed to flow. Okay, so follow the money here. Step 1, ads pop up on content in the PLRL Marketplace. Step 2, that brings in revenue, which flows back to the parent company, Verasity. Step 3, they can then take a piece of that revenue and use it for supply reduction programs. Think of it like a stock buyback. The idea is to reduce the total number of tokens to make the ones that are left more scarce and hopefully more valuable. And here is the absolute magic trick in step 4. These programs can be set up to help both the new PLRL token and the original VRA token. That's the synergy they're aiming for. And just to calm the nerves of the original investors, Verasity has been really clear that VRA isn't being left behind. They keep calling it the backbone of their whole video ecosystem, and they say they're still working to get it on more markets. But let's be real. A technical plan is one thing, but actually rebuilding trust with your community, that's a whole different ballgame. So let's look at how Verasity is trying to tackle some of the other, more personal concerns that people have brought up. Another thing you hear a lot is about Veracity's social media. Some people look at it and just see filler posts, but Verasity has an explanation for that. They basically argue that with the way social media algorithms work today, you have to stay consistently active just to be seen. You gotta play the game so that when you do have a huge announcement, people will actually see it in their feeds. And right here, they are drawing a line in the sand. There's no room for interpretation. They are hitting back directly against the story that the project is dead or that the team has checked out. This is them, on the record, stating their commitment to their core tech and the original token. So what's the big picture here? Well, Verasity has laid out its roadmap. The game plan is to build out a new ecosystem for everyday users, reward the community with a massive airdrop, and launch a new token that has a hard cap, meaning there's a fixed maximum supply, which is a big deal. And they insist that through it all, VRA is going to stay right at the heart of the technology. Which leaves us with the million-dollar question, doesn't it? The strategy's out there, the vision's been shared, the promise has been made. Now the entire community, and yeah, the rest of the market, is just watching and waiting to see if Veracity's actions can actually back up their words and turn this ambitious plan into some real tangible confidence and, of course, real value.